Mabuhay! Welcome back to the adventures of Miss Chuchubells, and I am Victoria. Today we're going to do another thing that I love doing in this channel is trying on lipsticks. So today we're going to try on the AOA Wonder Liplock Lipsticks. So I actually have 5. I don't even know how to hold this. Okay, so now I have 5 lipsticks to try on for you guys, and if you're interested, keep on watching and let's get started. Okay, so you might be wondering, why does she have 5 lipsticks? Okay, if you've been following my channel, I did Shop Miss A haul like a few weeks back. I'll link the video on the description box if you're interested to find out like what are those $1 makeup that you can actually purchase. I haven't tried some of them yet because I was busy, but I would always make time to try on new lipsticks. So under Shop Miss A, they have this AOA collection wherein everything in that collection is $1, including the lipsticks. So I got the AOA Wonder Liplock Lipstick under Shop Miss A, and for this collection, everything is $1. It's supposed to be matte finish. Again, it's $1, though I need to reiterate, $1. And they do claim that it's a 24-hour matte lipstick that is long lasting because it's 24 hours and it's kiss proof, which we will put to the test at the back of my hand later on. Okay, so the Wonder Liplock collection, they actually have 5 themes going on, which would be basic nude, vintage, basic mauve, bad girl, and potion. So I bought 1 lip color from each collection and we're going to try them on. But let's talk about the packaging first. The price, you guys know, it's $1. So the packaging actually looks like this. It's just this clear plastic thing, and then once you open it up, it actually has this, again, it's a plastic tube. Guys, for $1, I'm fine with the packaging. And this is how much product you actually get for $1. So it has this sweet cherry scent. They do claim that they're vegan, paraben free, cruelty free, not tested on animals. Yeah, so you do get like 4 grams in each lipstick. So let's try them on. I'm excited. Okay, so I'll be trying them from the lightest shade to the darkest. I don't even know why I have this dark plum lipstick, but never mind, we're going to roll with it. I don't have any lipstick on, just lip gloss. So let's tap off the lip gloss a bit. They do say that it's they have a creamy formula that, and also just apply it with a light hand. They did say don't twist like the lipstick too high up, so just enough. So the first thing we're going to try is basic nude mattes in Latte. So this is how it looks like. Okay, they did say 1 or 2 swipes, but I swipe it. Okay, so this is basic nude mattes in Latte, and we'll try them on. Okay, I'm not so sure why do I keep on buying this type of lipstick wherein online it looks nice. I thought it's going to be, but again it washes me off. It makes me look sick, but in person it's supposed to be like this peachy, light peach pinky color. It's sticky. Not sticky, it's tacky. If you don't like overpowering scent, actually the sweet cherry scent is actually nice, but it's kind of strong. So just a heads up, if you might be put off, because when I was applying the lipstick, I can actually like smell the sweet cherry, which personally I don't mind. It's better than smelling like chemicals, right? So when you do apply it on, it is creamy, it glides, so I didn't feel any tugging. But now that it's drying, it's kind of tacky, but tacky in a good way. I don't feel uncomfortable. I think, yeah, and when it dries, it does dry into a matte finish. I think when it's dry, I like it a bit better just now when I actually applied it. It's going to be under the Vintage Matte collection. I bought Sis, as in Sis, S-I-S, Sis. And this is how it swatches. Okay, so yeah, I'll be doing again individual swatches for you guys, so I'll just insert a picture. I'll remove my lipstick first and I'll be back. Okay, so I already removed my lipstick. I'm going to try Sis without any lip balm underneath. So let's just see how it's going to apply on my kinda dry lips. So let's try Sis. So this is how Sis looks like. I think the color is nice, but what I realized when I was putting it on without any lip balm, it does tug my lips a bit, but it's expected because I do have dry lips. And I noticed that without any lip balm, it does settle to the lines of your lips. If you have any dry patches or you have a lot of lines on your lips, it's actually going to emphasize it, or is going to settle in it. I don't mind because I can always just put a lip gloss over it, then blot it. So I don't mind going the extra step. But if you're the type of person wherein you just want like what, shoop, 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 then you have to just be mindful that apply a lip balm on your lips first before you actually apply the lipstick on. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, Sis has been removed. While I was removing the lipstick, I noticed that it's quite difficult to actually remove it. I was already using a wet wipe, a facial like makeup remover, and plus I'll use a tissue just to dry my lips, pat dry my lips, and there would be like some residue that would be left behind. So I think it is a long wearing lipstick. So the next one is under their basic Mauve collection, which is Spice, and this is how Spice looks like. Oh my god, you do have to be careful when you're like putting on lipstick. I just realized while I was swatching, it is kinda, the lipstick itself is kinda soft, that I feel that if I put a bit more pressure, the lipstick will actually break. So this is Spice. Then let's try it on. So this is from their basic Mauve collection, Spice. Okay, again, when I was applying it, it is creamy, it glided nicely. Having a lip balm on your lips prior application does help. And when it dries, it actually dries into a matte finish again. it's kind of tacky, but the darker colors, I feel I like them more than the lighter colors that I actually bought because it's more pigmented. The lighter colors were a bit patchy when I was applying it, and when it dried, it does look that it settles on my the lines on my lips. So the next thing that we're going to try under the collection is Bad Girl Mattes, and we have Brick, and this is how Brick looks like. It's red. We'll see. So swatch. Oh my goodness. It's red. So this is Brick Bad Girl Mattes, and let's try it on. So this is Brick in Bad Girl Mattes. I like it. It's this. Let's wait for it to dry into a matte finish. Lipstick, it makes me happy, it makes me smile, even though some people are not so comfortable in wearing red, or at least seeing people wearing red lipstick. But I love it. Can you see it? It's like boom. And surprisingly, it did apply nicely, even though you don't have, like, you didn't use a lip liner to line your lips so that it would not bleed out. It doesn't look like it's going to bleed, but then it doesn't dry as fast as like the other lipstick that I actually tried. It does dry your lips quite fast because it was quite difficult. Firstly, it was quite difficult for me to remove it, and after trying on my fourth lipstick, my lips are kinda like in pain. I feel that they were battered, something like that. Because when you do wear matte lipstick, some lipsticks would tend to dry your lips, even though I'm already wearing a lip balm underneath. Okay, last but not the least is their Potion Mattes, and I bought Modern. It's this dark, like deep burgundy, almost purplish color. So this is how it swatches. Oh my goodness. Can you see that? Okay, so let's try them on. Again, only lip balm. So this is Modern. Okay, looking at the monitor, it's kinda nice, but looking at the mirror, it's actually this dark purple color, but I'm liking it. Let me give you my thoughts. I feel like, yes, it's true, it's creamy, it's easy to apply, but pigment wise, I felt that the lighter colors are a bit patchy. The Brick color under the Bad Girl Matte, again, when I applied it just now, it was nice, but it took a while for it to actually dry. My favorites would be Sis and Spice. Surprisingly, I didn't like the red one, so I love the Spice and Sis. Sis is in Vintage Matte collection, while Spice is in their basic Mauve collection. Do I buy more? Would I buy more of the AOA Wonder Liplock Lipstick? Yes, because it's just $1. And so far, they're actually creamy. They're nice to apply. I just have to wear it for quite some time to see whether is it really going to dry my lips. Because if it does dry my lips, but it's a tolerable dry, does it make sense? Because I do wear lip balm underneath, but we'll see, because I do love lipsticks. I've been telling you guys I love lipsticks. So let's see whether it's kiss proof. Okay, so Now it's time for us to see whether it's kiss proof. So I'll kiss the back of my hand, this hand, just because all the swatches are here. So we'll see from this. And okay, it's kinda kiss proof because maybe it hasn't dried down too much. So what do I say? It's kinda half-half, 90% kiss proof. I think if you do eat with it, it will be okay. These are all the swatches. It did say it's a 24-hour matte lipstick, long-lasting and kiss proof. So after it actually dried, can you see? It doesn't budge. Can you see that? Let's rub it. It doesn't. Let's see how difficult this is to remove. I have my wet wipes here. Let's see whether we're going to be able to remove it. Oh my goodness. Did you see that? It's quite difficult to remove actually. Okay, hi guys. I'm back and I just want to do a very quick check-in. So I've been wearing that AOA lipstick for like 6 hours now. It did claim that it's supposed to last for 24 hours. It's kiss proof, you can eat, you can drink. But the bad news was it didn't last as it's expected. It's already 11 o'clock at night now. So it's actually worn off. I don't have any lipstick a bit on my lips now. So I've been drinking, I've been eating, I've been talking. So, but the good news is all throughout that I was wearing the lipstick, my lips didn't feel dry. Even now it's already worn out, my lips are not dry, surprisingly. So I don't know whether it's because I wore a lip balm underneath it. So I will try it again on another day without any lip balm. So good luck to me on that. But so far, even though it didn't last as it claimed, I didn't mind because it's a $1 lipstick. What can I expect? I just expected it to last long. The colors that we tried on today were so pretty, and it does dry on matte. And the good thing was it was matte and yet it was not drying. So I hope it does help. I will order again a few more colors from Shop Miss A in the future once I come back from my trip from Manila, because I do love the lipsticks. That's it. I'm excited to get more of the colors because yeah, for $1 I'll put the link to Shop Miss A under the description box and all the colors that we have tried on, so that if you're interested you can just look there, and if you want to purchase it. So that's it. I'm ending my video here. So if you do like this type of videos, me trying on lipstick and giving you swatches, please give it a thumbs up and maybe consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that notification bell so that you guys will be notified whenever I upload new videos every Wednesdays and Saturdays. So till then, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone you meet. Bye!